As you watch this mountain of physical files dissolve into a digital stream, you are looking at the solution to banking's oldest bottleneck, the limits of human speed. For decades, tasks like fraud investigation and loan verification forced operations to grind to a halt for 90 minutes at a time while analysts hunted down the right documents. Early generative AI models failed to fix this friction because they functioned as reactive tools. They required a human to type a prompt and sit back waiting for a text response. By 2026, the industry deployed Agentic AI. These systems are proactive and goal-oriented. They do not wait for instructions to chat, they take action. We can see how this works in this animated diagram. A central node receives a broad command, like refinancing a corporate loan, and instantly splinters it into 15 distinct subtasks. It then reaches out to external tools, like tax databases and credit bureaus, entirely on its own. If the system hits a roadblock, it corrects itself. When a subnode encounters a mismatched data point, the agent doesn't pause to ask a human for help. It instantly finds an alternative data source to verify the information and keeps the process moving. By managing its own task sequences and tool access, this software now functions as an autonomous member of the bank's staff. In the past, when a suspicious transaction hit a bank, an analyst spent an hour and a half manually tracing merchants and calling customers. During that lag, criminals routinely moved funds before the account could be frozen. Now, look at this modern data stream. When a transaction turns red, indicating an anomaly, it is immediately surrounded by specialized agents. They execute 3 actions simultaneously: freezing the funds, verifying the user's location, and writing a highly detailed suspicious activity report. By shrinking that 90-minute investigative window down to near zero, these parallel agents can freeze funds before a fraudster can move them. This immediate intervention led Tier 1 banks to report a 40% reduction in fraud losses over the last year. That same speed is overhauling how small businesses get credit. Historically, a human underwriter had to manually sift through years of paperwork to verify income and assess risk. This schematic outlines the modern zero-touch lending process. Raw data feeds, like utility bills and profit and loss statements, flow directly into an automated checkpoint where agents verify the business against global anti-money laundering watch lists. The system outputs a comprehensive credit memo detailing its exact logic, rendering a fully informed lending decision in milliseconds. Banks can now process thousands of complex loans a day without hiring a single additional underwriter. Until recently, only the wealthiest individuals had access to a family office, a dedicated team monitoring their investments around the clock. The average retail investor had to settle for a brief quarterly portfolio review. Agentic AI gives every investor that top-tier scrutiny. Autonomous bots monitor standard retail portfolios 24 hours a day, reacting in real time to market volatility and interest rate shifts. If a sudden market surge pushes a portfolio out of its target risk level, the agent steps in. It executes the necessary trades to rebalance the assets automatically, without ever asking the user to log in and approve the order. Retail portfolios now benefit from continuous, silent protection that maintains a risk profile without the investor ever needing to intervene. Handing over this much operational control immediately sparked fears that human bankers would face massive layoffs. But the reality on the ground looks like this organizational chart. Workforces are now organized into hybrid pods, led by a single human orchestrator who directs a team of automated executors. Bots handle tedious data gathering, freeing humans to negotiate complex deals. When the system encounters a highly complex edge case, it bypasses the automated layer entirely and routes straight to the human orchestrator. Automating the routine allows the human workforce to spend their hours on strategic judgment and high-value client relationships. You cannot grant a piece of code the power to freeze bank accounts and approve loans without a massive legal framework holding it accountable. Institutions like the Reserve Bank of India, seen here, and the EU AI Act classify these autonomous agents as high risk, mandating strict compliance rules. This generated digital ID card illustrates the new Know Your Agent mandate. Every bot must possess a unique identification hash, an explicit list of permissions, and a hard-coded spending limit on how much capital it can authorize. Every decision the system makes must leave a highly detailed logic path, allowing human auditors to retrace exactly why a specific loan was rejected or an account was frozen. Managers are also equipped with a real-time kill switch. If an agent begins executing unusual trades, a human can halt its actions instantly. This framework allows transactions, security sweeps, and asset rebalancing to run silently in the background of daily life. Institutions that survive this decade will achieve autonomous readiness. They are building a system where the core engine is fully automated, but the compass remains entirely human.